Hi, I am Kavranda KB from Vidya Academy of Science and Technology, Thrissur, and I am here to talk about our project along with my team members. We are the interns of Virtual Summer Internship under the initiative of LeadingIndia.ai. We worked in a group of 3 and we were mentored by Dr. Tabas Patil, who is an assistant professor in Bennett University. The team members are Sushant Baba Saheb Babilkar of College of Engineering, Pune, and Nishan Jain from Techno India NJR Institute of Technology, Udaipur. Our topic is firearm detection from surveillance camera using deep learning techniques. Currently, there are millions of CCTV cameras in operation in India. Therefore, the increasing density of surveillance camera footage makes it a challenge for a human operator to inspect, analyze and decide whether a potentially dangerous situation is about to happen. One such dangerous scenario is active shooter events such as the Colorado theater shooting, which happened in USA, then Oslo and Paris. This shows that the rapid detection and identification of armed shooter is essential in reducing the number of casualties. The performance of the firearm detection model was analyzed using multiple conventional neural network architecture.
Hello, this is Sushant Babalkar. So let's start with dataset we have used for training the model. We use one images as positive images and knife images as negative images. Before augmentation there were 7,000 images for training and 400 images for testing, and after augmentation there were 11,000 images for training and 660 images for testing. So we initially started off with VGG16 model, which has 13 convolutional layers, 5 max pooling layers and 3 dense layers. So we received pretty much good accuracy on this model, but to improve our accuracy further we use different models such as ResNet model and MobileNet model. So initially the ResNet model and MobileNet model for overfitting on our data because of less amount of data was there. So we used data augmentation techniques, and we have added dense layer or dropouts in MobileNet and ResNet so that it won't overfit further and it will give good accuracy, validation accuracy. So we have used ADAM as an optimizer for all the models, and loss function as categorical cross entropy. So basically these models, what they does, they learn different features from training dataset and use those features to predict the images coming from the camera, surveillance camera. So as we can see, the training of the model has been started. Here we are starting to train the model. As you can see, starting the training. As you can see, training is done. This is the graph of accuracy, and we have tested in 256 datasets, and we have received around 95% accuracy with 6.99% of loss.
Into the problem of maximizing the accuracy of the model, VGG16 model provides 97% accuracy of firearm detection. Further, ResNet model provides 95.6% accuracy. MobileNet model provides the most promising results with 99% accuracy of firearm detection. The proposed detector can be used in several applications, such as in surveillance cameras to monitor the videos uploaded on social media to detect firearms. Any detection of the firearm can alert the human operator so that he can take immediate actions accordingly. As present and future work, we are evaluating increasing the accuracy of MobileNet by preprocessing the video stream arriving from surveillance cameras. We will also evaluate different CNN-based classifiers such as GoogleNet.